A wound hurts, no matter where the blood flows. And there, in the mists of pain, cause and effect were born, one birthing the other. Effects. 1, 2, 4, 8, 12. But between inhaled cause and exhaled effect, there is a thin line that runs through the crack in the cosmos. And from this emerged the younglings, 12 titans, each an image of the creative urge, closest to Uranus in form. 3 cyclops, each a far-seeing eye. And then the 3 hecatoncheires. An ecstasy of dream gone delirious. All ready to enter history. The tide it carries. But Uranus wanted to stay on the shore. Dry, unscathed, not a toe deep in the flowing stream. Uranus wanted an undoing, a reversal of acts, events to be absorbed back into the nocturnal womb of promise. He wanted to go back to when there was just him and Gaia, one and one. He wanted the creations, the younglings, gone. Dissolved back into the amniotic fluids that swirl around in the aftermath of decisive acts of pleasure. So Uranus stepped into the tide and tried to reverse the flow, to direct the fount back into the source, back into Gaia. And so the future lay imprisoned in her pregnant cage, moist tartarus, with wet rock and mangy shrub, and cinders smarted from fires yet to be. But all tides turn.